Okay guys, I've just finished with Peter Kittle Toyota again, so we're just getting some more parts now, so you'll see what the next one is in just a sec. But yeah, we're slowly getting it done. There's not much left to actually purchase from here, which is a good thing. So yeah, we'll get home with Docky and we'll make that video shortly. Okay people, well today we're going to do something simple. Just wanted to get this over and done with. I actually ordered this or quoted it back before the engine blew a week before, so it's been a year and a half. I finally went down a couple of weeks ago and picked it up. It was only $1 difference after a year and a half, which was nice, and the cost was $166 including the clips. And I got these in case the other ones I take out have been heat cycled too many times and they're just brittle. Maybe they aren't, but it's better to be sure, isn't it? So that's the part for those. If you can see that properly. Okay, so yeah, mine's just got a tear on this side. This one's got a bit of a dip in it taking it out, but that should fix itself once it's in the car. But yeah, the one thing I've noticed with the American ones, which is strange, is they don't have this part here. It's just one little piece. So I'm not sure why, if it's the Australian heat or different specifications. But yeah, I found that strange. But that's what we're going to be putting on today. And that's basically it for all the OEM parts. I've got two plastic panels. They're a little bit expensive, $300 each in the interior to do, because they're pretty badly gouged and there's just no way to fix those. And I'll get those before the carpet, so when the carpet goes in they can put it all in for me all at once to save me a huge amount of trouble. So we'll go put this in the car and clean under the bonnet, because I haven't seen under there. It's probably pretty nasty, and we'll be done. After that I've just got some small parts to do. I do have a bonnet, a carbon fibre one, but that's towards the end of the year. It's pretty expensive, obviously a Cybon one, and it takes about 6 months to get it from America, so this will do in the meantime. And the other reason why I want to get the aluminium one swapped too is we get pretty bad hail here in Adelaide. If it ever gets hit, the aluminium gets dented, that's basically, you've got to throw away your bonnet, and probably your roof as well has got to be redone. So yeah, it's just better to have a carbon fibre one. It's a little bit more resilient, I guess. There's not much difference in weight, I'm pretty sure, because aluminium ones pretty much weigh nothing, so I'll just keep it, put it away for whatever reason needs to come. So I'll just show you something else I got. So I went down to Autobarn. If you remember my APR ducts from a previous video, I got the mesh kit for that as well. This one's for the upcoming bonnet. It's a single vent bonnet, but I thought I'd just get this and get it out of the way, so all the mesh matches from the front to the bonnet upwards. So yeah, this is just a basic kit you can just get from Autobarn, which is sweet. In the old days you'd have to go find it from an industrial expanded or extruded mesh place to get all that done. Now you just pop down and buy it. So that's for the upcoming bumper, but again, that's later this year, or maybe very early next year, depending on how everything goes. So that's that one as well. So I'll keep that away for later. This is the old one, and this is the tear in it that's been bugging me. So we'll replace it with the new one. And the plugs look fine, but what we're going to use, just got a trim tool. Just going to pop these out. Looks like they're going to pop out quite easily actually. I'm probably going to have to clean underneath, because I've never seen under there. Probably no one else has in 13 years. Just do a little bit of Autobax has a touch-up paint that comes with a little brush as well, if you got little nicks or anything like that. So they pop down, you can do that as well. This is Tornado Grey. I've forgotten the spec right now. 160344 for those of us with that colour. So just a couple of nicks and stuff I just want to go through. I won't even point them out, they're not noticeable, except to me.
cover!
This one's a bigger one. This one we have to keep because it wasn't included in the replacement. Luckily it didn't break. Actually pretty clean on here, surprisingly. That's a nice surprise. I'll give it a wipe down anyway. And we'll head on to the next spot. So this extra one here was actually supposed to be the big one. So unfortunately they gave me the wrong one, but just keep it as a spare, I guess. But yeah, that's everything done. A little polishing in the engine bay as well since I was in there, just cleaning up some stuff I've been meaning to get around to. You can see the difference here, these two screws. These aren't from the engine bay, you'll never guess where they're from. But yeah, this one I haven't polished yet, I've just cleaned it off the paint. I'm going to do this one next, make them all shiny and stick those in too. You'll probably never even see them, but why not? And there we go, nice and shiny. Yes, I got a polishing problem, I know, but yeah, they're all done. So that's it for today.